This 2021 Xtreme Outdoors MyPod XT is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice you have a flat screen TV and speakers, as well as cabinet storage at the front of the trailer. Below that is an air conditioner. And next to that is a charging center and multimedia head unit. On the ceiling is a vent fan. You have a full-sized sleeping area. Returning outside, make note of the location of your power hookup. Your entry door is located on the back of the trailer. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.